Hi, this is Daniel with Euphree Electric Bicycles, and I'm excited to introduce to you our latest model, the Solar Sparrow. The design thesis behind the Solar Sparrow was to create a lighter weight, more manageable, simplistic, easy bike that was still very comfortable and easy to get around. One of the attention to detail things that we do on our bikes is we spend a lot of time analyzing what paint color we should have, how much flake. We always put a clear coat. It is more expensive, higher quality paint, but it really provides it with a more premium finish. The Solar Sparrow comes in 5 different colors. We have Americano, Riviera Blue, Ivy, Canyon Flame, and Ultraviolet. The battery is fully integrated and it comes with a carbon Gates belt drive. This will outlast your bike. You'll never have to do any maintenance on it, and it is one of the unique features about this bike. The Solar Sparrow is powered by LG battery cells, and all of our bikes and our batteries are tested by SGS to UL certifications. The battery is rated as a 10.5 amp hour by 48 volt system, flows through a Tongsheng controller, and we use a Bafang rear hub motor. It's a 500 watt motor with 900 watt peak power. It's a single speed, so it's a very simple system. The bike has a torque sensor. You can also convert it to a cadence sensor, and you can adjust the responsiveness of the torque sensor. Although you can go 28 miles an hour on this bike, it's really not designed for that. The gearing ratio is really designed for 0 to 20 miles an hour, with 14 to 20 miles an hour really being a nice sweet spot where you're just cruising and coasting. It comes on 26 by 2.4 inch tires. They're Kenda K-Wick. It's outfitted with 180 millimeter Tektro brakes. The 30 millimeters of travel front fork really takes the edge off of any bumps that you'll have, small potholes. It's not really designed for going off-road, but it's going to be substantially more comfortable than a rigid fork where you'll have the vibrations hitting your wrists and shoulders. The C-post suspension is a must. This is one of the things that makes this bike very comfortable. We've integrated all the wires into the bike. It just gives it a much more clean, premium feel. You never have any wires getting in the way when you're turning with your basket. It comes with curved handlebars, which are designed for ergonomic comfort on your wrists and your shoulders. You can adjust the stem to the proper riding position, and you can adjust the C-post suspension tension. It comes outfitted with a rear rack, fenders. The rear rack is MIK. The Solar Sparrow comes with access points for a cafe lock if you wanted to add those to it. The bike is also outfitted with a brake light. Whenever you actuate the brake levers, the light will come on. If you turn the lights on, the default will be to flash, and when you actuate the brake levers, it will go solid. We have a really nice front headlight here. It's very, very bright. And then we have a flashing mode for it as well, where you can have kind of a daytime running light. And it's just a beautiful, simplistic bike. You get our warranty, which is a 2-year warranty, and all of our support and features that come with it. To all our customers, thank you. Our team thanks you, and I thank you. We really appreciate taking your feedback and working to design the best quality, highest performing bikes for you to enjoy riding. Happy riding. Be free. You free.